Welcome to Under the Rim Guest Houses. Rob and Joanne Brannon here in Tropic, Utah, and we wanted to illustrate how to use the wooden futon. First, you slightly pull it out from the wall, and you can see it's currently in the configuration for the sofa. And now we're going to show you how to put it in the bed configuration. Simply lift from the front while releasing the back, and it goes down into the bed configuration with a natural headboard and footboard. Now to put it back into the sofa configuration, simply lift from the back and push in the middle. It locks in, and there you have it, the futon that operates as a sofa and bed. Simple configuration, works great. Enjoy.
I will show you the easiest way how to open and close this frame. It's a back load mechanism. So you open it from the front and you close it from the back. So opening is easy. Just lift it up and the back slops down. So when you're sleeping on it, you gotta lock it in. So push in the seat part to lock in the sofa. So you're sleeping on it, then when you want to close it, it's locked from the back. So you cannot close it unless you pull it up a little bit. So you gotta pull it to yourself like this. Go from the side. The best way to do it is strong movement up with one of the hands, and the second hand just help it in over here. And that's how you close it.
What I'd like to do now is give you a quick demonstration of how a two-seater frame similar to this works in and out from sofa to bed and vice versa. You simply pull the frame forward, press it back into its locking position and throw the mattress back. That gives you a comfortable sofa bed. There is various widths. This is a small double, and you can also have it in the standard double. But the principle behind this is that they all work the same. Simply pull out and fold away. To return it, you would fold the mattress over to the seat section at the front, lift the frame up, and then return to the front, pushing the sofa bed back to the wall, holding the mattress from underneath, pulling round until it drops and rotates back into its sofa position. And there we have it. a demonstration of a trifold frame that you can use as a sofa and a bed. Thank you.
And we want to just help you understand how to work futons a little bit better and how practical they are. Futon like this, you would pull it out about 8 inches from the wall, and then you just simply lift this up and it just slides right in place. Now you have a standard full-size bed. We're ready to sleep, just put a full fitted sheet on, a pillow, and you got a platform bed. Then when you're finished, and this is necessary in order for you to look nice, you put one hand in the back here, one in the middle, and just swivel the body. That puts it up and you can hear those clicks. But now, if you want to still have something that looks nice in your house, you should straighten it up. And a critical part is the extra fabric, which you have to have, you tuck in like that. There we go, ready for company again.